Sometimes we have an Excel file with names and phone numbers, and we want to add all those numbers to a contact list. But it's not a direct process. I have done it previously as well, and I can't recall the steps. So, creating one video for reference, starting with an Excel file, and it can have any number of columns. The two main columns that we need are name and phone number. Other than that, it could have address, date of birth, email ID. Okay, let this file open. In the meantime, the process will involve changing this Excel file to CSV, and then from CSV to vcard. Vcard is a format that's detectable by phone, and it's considered as a contact type. So for that we will be using online tools. There are n number of methods to change to get the data from Excel and then save it as a vcard format. So I will be using one of them. I even have a Python script that converts the CSV file to vcard. We will discuss vcard later. So I have this file. It have name, number, and there could be more number of columns. First step would, this is a Excel file, xlsx is the extension. We will go to file, then save as CSV. CSV means comma separated values. Save as in this folder. Okay, instead of our Excel workbook, we will be saving it as CSV. Telephone details, CSV file. Save. Some features of the workbook might be lost. This warning will appear. It means that filters, colored columns, all those will be removed when it's saved as CSV. Do you want to keep using this format? Yes, we want CSV. Okay, the file is saved as CSV. Telephone details CSV file. This is our file. Now we will be using online tools. We can simply do CSV to vcard online. This link looks good. Now it will ask for a CSV file and it will process it to a vcard. Vcard format is easy. It will have begin vcard followed by the next would be full name. First version could be 4.1 or anything. Then full name, telephone number, first name, email ID, all those values are present. So our data is uploaded. Proceed. Now it will ask us to map all these headers. It could be student name, this could be contact number, so we need to map it here. Name, this particular column represents full name and number will represent phone, phone, phone. Yes, we have more values that can be present in this file. For example, we can have birth date or email ID, address. Now when we do build, this is our vcard file generated. We can copy it and then save it .vcf format. So let's discuss it, or we can directly do just save and it will ask where to save the file. So let's say we are saving it in the same location, vcard file, saved. The details, so begin, version, these are mandatory and this end is also mandatory. Let's discuss the remaining these values. Fn means full name and name, these values will be populated according to our column. Phone number is coming from here, and then this rev means revision. When was this created? This numbers may look strange, but this is a timestamp value which is called as epoch. So if this is an epoch converter, if I paste this value, timestamp to human, it says Friday 4th of April 2025 at 10:54 UST, which is 4:24 in Indian Standard Time. So now we have this file available. We can share it in our phone by any means, through data cable, through Bluetooth, or maybe attaching it to the email. Once it's available in phone, we open it, it will ask us to export the contact and all our contacts will be saved. So this is one of the method and it can be utilized. Thank you.